You work for 30 days straight, and in less than 7 days, your salary is gone.
If I no laugh, I go cry. So it's better I laugh, even if I have to force it.
It's not because you are careless, it's because no one actually taught us what to do the moment our salary drops. And that's what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. So make sure you follow this small channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more valuable content like this. The moment you get paid, it's either you use your church mind and plan your money, or everybody around you is going to collect it from you. So the first rule about earning more money or getting rich in 3 months is not about earning more. It's about knowing what to do immediately your salary drops. And the first thing you should do when your salary drops is to leave it for at least 24 hours. Hear me out. Leave it for at least 24 hours so that it will give you more time to think and plan about how you're going to spend your money. The first 24 hours is crucial. It will give you time to think, plan, and budget your money. Now, the second thing you're going to do is to use the 50-30-20 rule. What do I mean? It's dedicating your money. 50% goes to your needs. And when I say your needs, I mean your rent, your transport, your food, and stuff like that. 30% goes to your own little enjoyment. Your data, your toiletries, your outings, and stuff like that. Then 10% goes to your savings. I personally use 20% for my savings, but you can use whatever works for you. 10% for your savings, your growth money, your investing money, or your side hustle money, business money, whatever you want to use that 10% to do, you have to save your money. I'm talking too much. Now, the third thing you should do is to separate your savings money from your personal account. I personally use Cowrywise for this. I take out my 10% or 20% and put it in my Cowrywise. So that way, by the time I get enough money to do what I want to do for my business, for myself, for my side hustle, I don't begin going around asking for urgent 2K or begging my cousins or my brothers for money. I just have to go to that account and take the money I need. Now, here's the harsh truth. You don't get rich in 3 months by just saving your money. You have to multiply that money. You have to invest that money to give birth to more money. You get the point. But most Nigerian earners, salary earners, they want to multiply the money. They want to make more money, but they don't even track their expenses. They don't even know where their money is going. And by the time they even want to now invest, they made up their mind. Okay, I want to invest. I want to start this business. Their salary is already gone. They don't have anything left to use to start the business or to use to invest. So that's why I created this ebook called From Salary to Freedom. It will teach you how to budget your money like a pro, how to make your salary last till month's end, and also how to build a sustainable side hustle even when you are still working your 9 to 5. Okay, it's very affordable. I made it 1.5 because I need testimonials, because I know you'll definitely come back. You will definitely come back and thank me. It's just 1,500 for now. For now, because if I'm to charge that book, the value there is costing like 15 to 20,000, but it's just 1,500 for now because I need your testimonials. When you get the book, you're going to get access to my community where I talk about deeper things. So it's a plus for you. 2026 is around the corner. 2026 is around the corner, and I know that you would not want to remain in this salary trap, because trust me, I've been there. Jesus Christ. I have been there. Hey, I was earning 30K at that time and waking up every morning angry, going to a job that I don't like. It's not something anybody would want to do. So that's why you have to get a side hustle. Everything is in that book. Everything is in that book. How to budget, how to plan and stuff. Just comment the word salary and I will send it to you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm still growing here. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips like this. And I promise I'll keep delivering value. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.